Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Hatsune Miku Project DIVA Mega Mix for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. Been sitting on this one for a while, decided hey, I needed to get this one. I needed something for Switch to be uploaded, so YUZU, and here we are today. Obviously because of these games, there's copyright with their music, so I'm actually gonna mute the volume so you can't hear the song, but it does run fine. I just wanted to put that out there before we jump into the game. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Love Hatsune Miku. Good stuff, man. Some of these songs are actually really good. We're just gonna test one out and see what happens. Oh, jeez. I love that there's a Mega Mix that has all of them, which is pretty cool, but I need to look through. I can't remember the names, man. Honestly, I can't hear anything anyway. Oh, Secret Police. I like Secret Police. I don't know what any of those mean, but I will turn that on because pain. So this is the first time I'm launching the game. As you can see, it's building in the shaders and everything quite nicely. It's a music game. This also ran on RPCS3 and all those really well, which I will be posting as well. If you guys are wondering, I will be getting to those as well. But the Mega Mix definitely runs really well with this setup. I don't know if I said my i7-4790 with the RX-570 16GB DDR3 RAM. I don't remember if I said that, but hey, it runs. Once again though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. It's going to be hard with this because I don't actually remember these the buttons are a bit egregious for me because I'm not used to the YUZU emulator buttons, so I kind of stutter every time it's A or B, Y. It's like which one is which again? I stutter on this crap. I really should try to change that. Nonetheless, it is maintaining 60 FPS. I don't even know what that was. Okay, just the cross. Nonetheless, I just wanted to show you guys that the game does run and you can enjoy it from beginning to end. But once again, don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for... Oh my gosh, what is going on here? Yeah, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. I can't even like try to change. It's like, oh my gosh, everything is just happening at once. Everything's happening at once. I can't. Pain. Only pain remains right now. I really need to switch these buttons back. I really need to find a way. I wonder if you can. I never tried to. I feel like I need to at this point. I can't even mute myself at this point because I'm just trying to get this done. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay.